Let us begin. TADA-DADA.
Hello everyone, welcome to the TADA-DADA Art Club, the only place where we make drawing and painting easy for anyone who wants to learn. So let us begin with TADA-DADA.
Hello friends, in today's video we gonna make a picture on Independence Day, Indian Independence Day. So generally people show that flag and somewhere saluting that, but we are gonna do something different. So let's how we can do that. So here I'm gonna make a plane which is a very simple shape, not much complicated, but how we can see the aeroplane from the down. You want to see the aeroplane from down, how it will see. So this way I'm just going to make a silhouette shape of aeroplane. One more airplane I'm going to show is here. And there is a third one I'm going to show the aeroplane somewhere here. So this way we drawn a 3 aeroplane, and we have to show a small, we have to show they are showing a smoke or the which is going behind. So this is it, which you can start with the center one. From the small, we have to show the stalk became a big. Same with the other planes what we have. This way we shown a plane is flying and they are throwing the smoke, and that smoke will be a colorful or tri colors will be there. So let's start the coloring. So as everybody know is the Indian flag has the saffron color on the top. In the middle there will be a white, and the last one is the darker green shade. So we'll start with the saffron. So you have to take a little thick color first, and you have to start from this point. Because we want here should be a darker color, and as we go away it will be a very lighter shade. So be very careful. As your color is getting finished, definitely it will be a lighter shade. You can add just little water and spread the color. So the one orange or saffron color is done. We'll do the next one with the green, dark green. So we'll start with here. Same brush we have to use. Color will get the lighter towards the end. So here we are done with the green color also. For this white, we keep the as it is white, but give a little shade of the lighter blue, which will give the dimension. Just on the edges we have to make. This way the three colors also done. We have to just to add the interesting form of that is the center. The center of is the Ashoka Chakra. We will add this Ashoka Chakra here. And everybody must be knowing that has the 24 pillars in between. So we have to start with the first is the a plus sign, then we have to start the cross, and then each section we have to add two lines. Ashoka Chakra in between what we drawn. For that we can use a sketch pen or directly brush also. But the main important first we'll do the aeroplane, which I would show a darker blue tone or more or less a black tone, what I can say. So here I'm starting with the first. Here the circle what I'm going to do with the brush. As I said, you can use the sketch pen also. So this way is our Independence Day picture. The Indian Independence Day picture is ready with you. It's very simple, right? Hope you like this video and you will share with your friends too.
learn more such enjoyable drawing, do not forget to subscribe our channel TADA-DADA Art Club, and you can like and share our videos. Bye friends, we'll see you soon with more such fun drawings. Keep practicing. Enjoy!